Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix waiting for Wi-Fi when uploading file to Google Drive. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Google Drive application in my mobile phone and I'm going to show you this kind of problem guys, waiting for Wi-Fi. If we want to fix this problem, we need to go to the Google Drive setting. You can click on this three lines on the top left and then go to the settings. And after that, we're going to scroll down until we find this data usage option and you have to turn off this feature, transfer files only over Wi-Fi. You have to disable it and after that you will be able to upload your file. So I'm going to upload new file to my Google Drive. I'm just going to click on new and then select upload and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, now it's done. And now the file is being uploaded. And the file is has been uploaded, guys. Wait, I'm just going to refresh it. And okay, this is the file I have just uploaded to my Google Drive. Alright guys, and that's all the way to fix waiting for Wi-Fi problem when uploading file to Google Drive. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.